Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss about some common mistakes that the electrical engineers are doing during interviews I have seen. One of them is that a very common question when you go through when you were entering into the interview room, the interviewer generally asks, tell something about yourself, a brief through your CV or something like that, which they want to know about you. And then the guy starts talking about their childhood and how did this he did schooling, this that. Then finally he will come to his college and a little bit of the present scenario, and that's it. This is not actually what the interviewer is looking for. He wants to know your present scenario, right? Maybe what you are doing particularly for 1.5 year, something like that. So that is the most important part. So rather than starting from your childhood, my suggestion is you start from the reverse chronological way. You start with your engineering or maybe 1 or 2 years experience that you have gathered, that you start, and uh, that will give you a better chance actually. So if you start in that way, you might have seen that many cases, even you don't go up to the end of your tell something about yourself answer, because that is the point where the interviewer has most interest. So that is the first point you must remember. And the second point, that why do you want to get this job, or really what you want to do in your life, what is your 5 year plan, something like that. So the underlying thing the interviewer is trying to understand is that whether your goal is in line with the company's objective or company's goal. Now, since you're a fresher, you might have very different goal or objective in your life. Like you want to prepare for IAS, you want to be an IAS, IFS, civil service officer. You might be looking for IIMs, or you might be looking for GATE, PSU, etc. But then just think of yourself that why that interviewer will hire you, because they are not the company to produce IAS, IES, or produce cat rank holders. They want somebody to do their job. That's it. So my suggestion is, whatever your personal goal is, keep it in within you. You don't need to tell it to the interviewer. Before going for the interview, you can study the company website. They have their mission, vision, etc. mentioned in their website. Find that and build a answer, something like which is aligned to their goal. For example, you can say that I want to learn the way this company is manufacturing this product, that product, or providing this service. And at the same time, I want to add a value to this organization so that finally it can increase the revenue of the organization. So that could be one answer. That could be in like, yes, he is aligned with our goal. So something like that, something like, yeah, I if you are really interested in fault study or something like that, or if you are interested in ETAP, um, etc., then you can say that I really like to study the fault analysis and all. And I have seen that this company is doing extensive fault study, and that is the core of this organization, so I want to be part of that team and enhance myself as well as the company's potential. So that could be something like which is aligned with the company's goal. So uh, even if you are giving very good interview, if you are not really aligned with the company's goal, you may not be selected. So that's all I wanted to tell. Thank you.